Genesis chapter 22. The morning sun had barely touched the horizon when God's voice broke the stillness. Abraham, the old man seasoned by years of walking with the Almighty, answered quietly, "Here I am." But the words that followed pierced deep than any sword. "Take your son, your only son, Isaac, whom you love. Go to the land of Moriah. Offer him there as a burnt offering on a mountain I will show you." Isaac, the promised child, the miracle of their old age, the laughter God had brought into their home, and now God was asking him back. Yet Abraham did not argue. He rose early, saddled the donkey, split the wood, and set out with Isaac and 2 servants. For 3 days each step weighed heavy, the unspoken command echoing in his mind. On the 3rd day the mountain appeared in the distance. Abraham turned to his servants and said, voice steady, but heart trembling, "Stay here. The boy and I will go there to worship, and then we will return to you." He placed the wood on Isaac's young shoulders. Abraham carried the fire and the knife. As they climbed, Isaac's innocent question broke the silence. "Father, the fire and the wood are here, but where is the lamb for the offering?" Abraham swallowed hard. "God himself will provide the lamb, my son." They reached the summit. Abraham built the altar, laid the wood, and the hands trembling bound Isaac. The boy's trusting eyes never left his father's face. Abraham lifted the knife. Then, "Abraham, Abraham," the voice of the angel of the Lord thundered from heaven. "Do not lay a hand on the boy. Now I know that you fear God, because you have not withheld your son, your only son, from me." Abraham's eyes fell upon a ram caught by its horns in a thicket. Tears filled his eyes as he released Isaac and placed the ram on the altar instead. He named the place, "The Lord will provide," and the angel of the Lord spoke again, "Because you have obeyed me, I will bless you. Your descendants will be as countless as the stars and the sand, and through your offsprings all nations will be blessed." Abraham walked down the mountain that day with his son alive beside him, and a deeper understanding of the God who both tests and provides.